In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add shadow in Canva. Let's get started. First, let's start with an image. I'll add a photo here. For example, a person. To make the shadow stand out, I'm going to remove the background. Now we are ready to apply our shadow effect. At the left, you're going to find the fun option. Navigate to the option Shadows under Effects. Under Shadows as well, you're going to find different option. You can choose the option of your choice. Drop, Page Lift, Angled, Backdrop or Outline. Also, you can increase or decrease these given over here. Blur amount, rotation, intensity. So this is how you can easily add shadow to the pictures. Likewise, you can also search for the shadow effect. For that, navigate to the option Elements. Now type in shadow and search for it. Here you will find different shadow graphic you can add behind your photo. Just place one under your image, right click and send it backward so it's underneath. You can experiment with different types like window shadows, corner lift or soft drop shadows. Shadows are not just for photos, you can also apply them to text. Click on the option Text, type in something. Now click on the option Effects, click on the option Shadow, and from here you are able to add shadow to the text. And that's it. Now you know how to add shadows to both images and text in Canva, either through built-in effects or by using shadow graphics. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.